Shout out to Rich, the bitch wrangler. Went from living with my moms to living with my dad, to living in the basement, but shit ain't all bad. Wake up to bake up, work, get my cake up. Dutches, we break up, get high to free my lows. Man, I'm feeling like a giant in an even.
What's up, y'all? It's Friday, and I'm headed to my dad's house, my dad's girlfriend's house. Yeah, see you when I get there. What's up? I'm here, you know. They got all festive, like, you know what I'm saying? Those cookies gonna go down tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm here. The train's just super duper packed. I'm gonna put the clip that I took on Snapchat and put it in here and show you how packed it was. It was ridiculous. But I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow because it's like 1:30. It's like 1:34 right now. So I'll catch you tomorrow morning.
Cause I'm still vibing, cause I'm still me. Yeah, bang bang, boogie bang bang, the shot.
What's going on, folks? It's Saturday morning, and it's snowing like crazy outside. Watch. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. It's crazy. Like, look at that already. Bro. So Christmas party is today. And we all gotta wear red. You know what I mean? Look at Joel. Jeffing it up. Jeffing it up. Jeff Joel.
You get what I'm saying? I'm not really making anything.
Wait, you're a school aide, you know?
Yeah, because school aides don't make the food.
You're just like,
I'm just
preparing it.
Yeah, exactly. And then
Alright, so we out here. We out here in this crazy snow. Oh no! Almost stepped in a huge puddle. You know what I'm saying? We about to go to the liquor store for the party, so we can get the lids. Yeah, you wanna say hi? Hi, Tierra.
Staying safe, working hard, living life. Even if you're in a rut, best believe it's alright. Heading to the fridge with these munchies on my mind. Yeah, just to see what I can find. And still I'm feeling good, still I'm feeling free. Believe I'm still vibing, believe I'm still me. Still I'm feeling like the man, and I'm feeling like the man.
See him on that TV right now. Camera right now. I'm seeing that ice cream.
Word.
We back at the house, you feel me? Still got my antennas. My antennas. Ooh, look at you looking all snazzy. Oh, say what's up to the peoples. Oh, do a kick. You're not gonna say what's up?
No.
You all mean.
Oh.
Yeah, we getting prepared. We almost people.
This is how we do it. All right. Let's see how we do it.
This is the damn dad. Yeah. we getting prepared. We got the food. Your mama. Oh wait. Oh, where's your mama? Your mama behind the bar. Oh, look at Tierra. Oh. When is everyone coming?
Never. They come slowly.
Solely because they're black, right? Because
Only because they're black.
just because they're black.
Hello. It is because they're black. Why am I acting like they're black?
Jason. And Dorsey's
Do that to my child. Don't show me no. Stop it. I don't care. I'm a still
We got Dorskis. We got
Dorskis.
We got Dorsky. Dosky.
That ain't my name.
We got
Dorskis in the
Dooski.
That's it.
and then we got Joel. The one that was making the pancakes. We
No,
got Jason.
that was making the pancakes too.
You wasn't making no pancakes.
Yes, I was.
No, you wasn't.
I'll punch you.
Alright, so we about to go back to the store because we need to get what do we need? Raffle tickets. We need to get some raffle tickets because we're gonna do a raffle. Know what I'm saying? Tyler, my man's Tyler. Oh, and then we got Naquan. Naquan don't care. And we got all them people. All them. We chillin'. They playing.
Just leave me like a broken toy. There's a man that wants to.
That balloon's gotta roll up. I thought you couldn't do that.
Come on now. You Washington Redskins.
I'm feeling free. Believe I'm still vibing, believe I'm still me. Still feeling like the man, and I'm feeling like a beast.
Feeling tired. It's Sunday. We're about to go to the store so we get some breakfast. Oh! Almost died just now.
It's very icy, my friend.
Was too faded last night.
No, yesterday I was too done.
Bro,
Yeah,
you showed me the videos and I was just
Yeah,
falling
he was
asleep.
I had to keep tabby on like Deron.
Yeah. So we back from the grocery store. We got some eggs and bacon. Eggs, bacon. Eggs and bacon. I didn't feel this.
Say eggs and bacon in a different language.
Huh?
They say eggs and bacon in a different language.
I don't know.
Eggs and bacon, yo.
I know eggs is huevos in Spanish or some shit. I hope I caught that. Nah, I'm tight. I didn't record us going to the grocery store though, cause like he was looking lost cause we're type schmiggity. He almost died. So
Out of air.
we gotta go back to the store to get juice. You trying to roll up again?
If you find some kind of leaf product, yeah. That sounds like something someone across the street.
Facts.
You ready? I'm making them act like I have powers. Ready? The weed gives you powers.
Headed to the fridge with these munchies on my mind. Yeah, just to see what I can find. And still I'm feeling good. Still I'm feeling free. Believe I'm still vibing. Believe I'm still me. Still feeling like the man, and I'm feeling like a beast. Cause I'm still vibing.
Move with the weed.
Yeah, bang bang, boogie bang bang.
It's on the street.
Boogie bang bang the block. Bang bang, boogie bang.
Mad hard to push.
Oh.
Let's look at this going away.
Alright, we out. Alright, so we're gonna walk to the park and just chill because we bored. Everybody else at the house. So I'm gonna just end it right. Here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Tell your friends about everything. Look at this crazy house. Mad legs. They don't care about the electric bill. You know what I'm saying? They don't. You feel me? Alright, I'll catch y'all next weekend. Peace.
Wake up to bake up, work, get my cake up. Dutches, we break up, get how to free my lows. Man, I'm feeling like a giant in an even bigger world. Want the money and the weed and a better looking girl. Come here,